Understanding Honor the Fallen, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, honor the fallen. This phrase holds significant emotional and cultural weight in English-speaking communities. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Honor the fallen is a phrase that carries a deep respect and tribute towards individuals who have lost their lives, particularly in the service of others or for a noble cause. This could be soldiers in battle, heroes in disasters, or anyone who has made the ultimate sacrifice. The word honor implies showing deep respect or admiration, and fallen refers to those who have died, especially in duty. Understanding this phrase also involves looking at its historical and cultural context. It's often used in military contexts, during memorials or remembrance days such as Veterans Day or Memorial Day in the United States. However, it's not limited to military use. It can be used to honor anyone who has died while serving others. When using honor the fallen, it's important to be aware of its serious and respectful tone. It's used in formal situations like ceremonies, speeches, and written tributes. It's not used in casual conversations due to its solemn nature. For instance, saying, "Let's honor the fallen heroes of this disaster," during a memorial service. Understanding honor the fallen is more than just knowing its literal meaning. It's about understanding the respect and solemnity it carries. I hope this video has helped you grasp this powerful phrase's depth and significance. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and history they convey. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next lesson together.